with her much? Do you see her in the summer much?
I see her in the summer a few times, but I really don't play with her much.
Okay. But everyone knows, obviously, of her, right?
Yes,
and
yes. Her name is known.
In terms of her ranking and
Yeah.
the score she's posted and things like that.
Yeah.
Do you start thinking ahead? I got to get to 140, say, when this is all said and done, or?
I do.
Do you?
I mean,
okay.
You have to think about what everyone else is doing. It's not like basketball. You can't guard them. You can't control what everyone else is doing. You can only control what you're doing. So, I mean, if I shoot 140 and that's 4 under and she beats me, then she deserves it. She played great.
More power to her, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Brooke, I mean, back nine was maybe a little bit momentum for you coming into tomorrow. I mean, you had some erratic golf out there, just like you kind of have in recent weeks, but you came through it all right. A couple good birdies, and obviously you just talked about 11. That was a great save for you.
11. Well, we had been waiting for how long, and I knew it. I stepped on the tee, and I'm like, this might be tight, so try to launch the ball, and just came right over the top of it and hit it in the woods. And so I got under the tee, and I was like, you cannot make the same mistake twice. And so I hit it in the middle of the fairways, and I was a little upset because why didn't I do that the first time? But then I still could make par. So I hit it, my hybrid, to about 5 feet and just made the putt.
Now, Brooke, you played very attacking today. The driver was coming out of your bag all over the place out there, and that's a good thing for you to play that kind of style of golf. Do you think that this course caters to your type of play?
I think it does, because there aren't many holes where you can't hit driver, and I hit driver all the time. It's probably my favorite club in the bag, so I love hitting it. I have a ton of confidence in it, so when I get to hit it a lot, it's perfect.
Yeah, this is one of the easiest rounds of 70s I've watched them. Most of the birdies you were making were no more than 5 feet.
Yeah.
Does that help your confidence going in tomorrow?
It does, because if you know that you can get to the par 5s in 2, you know that you can 2-putt, and you don't have to make birdie the old-fashioned way by making a 1-putt. But I'd like to be able to make a birdie on a par 4 once in a while, but I'll take whatever I can get.
What had your season low been?
For high school season?
Yeah, for the high school.
68.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
Where was that again?
At the Cardinal Spartan.
Oh, sure, okay. That was Pleasant View, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Thanks a lot. Congratulations.
You're welcome. Thank you.